Hello everyone, in this video, I bring you beautiful Chinese themes for Xiaomi global devices. The first theme with iOS style status bar has a beautiful home screen widget, a set of dark mode style icon packs. Apply in some system Miui applications. A lot of features can custom on lock screen of theme. iOS 18 flashlight animation. Double tap bottom bar to enter custom screen. First, toggle to custom wallpaper. Many style of wallpaper. Custom color of default wallpapers. Tap date and clock widget to custom it. You can enter any text and theme lock style custom screen. Under clock widget. Choose style of dynamic notifications. This option to custom charging animation. 6 charging animations you can try. This option to custom home screen widget. Dark mode or light mode. Set up folder wallpapers features. This option to active folder wallpapers. Open File Manager, create folder with name. Copy and paste all wallpapers into here. You can find wallpapers in video description. Enable or disable depth effect. Theme name in Chinese theme app. Next theme in this pack. This theme can change battery icon on status bar. When battery 100%. A simple and beautiful icon set. Also apply in some system Miui applications. Lock screen clean style. Double tap to enter custom screen. 8 default wallpapers. Custom clock style with this option. Widgets under clock. More theme custom. Enable to import your wallpaper. Theme name in Chinese theme app. Next theme in this pack. Theme with pixel style. Ring battery in status bar. Pixel circle icon pack. Simple and beautiful. Apply all of applications. Settings Miui. Theme name in Chinese theme app. All themes include my backup file and video description. You can use it to restore those themes into your phone. If you don't know how to install Chinese themes via backup file, watch video in description. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe if you like my work. See you in next video coming soon.